Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. The Teminice Fitness tracker supports 14 activities, however you can only display 3 of them. As you can see, my fitness tracker is currently displaying walk, run and bike. Today I'm going to show you how to change the activities displayed on your Teminice Fitness tracker. To do this, go to your VeryFitPro app on your phone. Now tap on Device at the bottom of your screen. Now tap More. Then Activity Display. Tap on the plus icon on the top right side of the screen. Unselect the activities you don't want to display, let's say bicycle. Then add the activity you want to display, let's say workout. Now tap the correct sign on the top right side of the screen. This will change the activities displayed on your activity tracker. Now let's check my Teminice Fitness tracker. As you can see, my Teminice Fitness tracker is now displaying workout instead of bicycle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks on the latest technologies. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limit.